Today we'll learn one of the most common French expressions.
Il faut. Il faut que.
These phrases are super useful in daily life. We use this structure to express necessity in a general way. It means one must. You need to. It's necessary to. Now, when we want to say that a specific person must do something, we use
Il faut que.
followed by the subjunctive mood. Let's check the examples together.
Il faut manger pour vivre. Il faut manger pour vivre.
You have to eat to live.
Il faut dormir tôt. Il faut dormir tôt.
One must sleep early.
Il faut étudier le français tous les jours. Il faut étudier le français tous les jours.
It's necessary to study French every day. As you see, the verb always stays in its infinitive form. We don't conjugate it here, because the rule is general and not about a specific person. Let's move on and look at some examples with another structure.
Il faut que tu viennes demain. Il faut que tu viennes demain.
You must come tomorrow.
Il faut que nous travaillions maintenant. Il faut que nous travaillions maintenant.
We have to work now.
Il faut que vous soyez patient. Il faut que vous soyez patient.
You must be patient. As you can see, in this structure things change a little. Now, the action is linked to a specific person. That's why the verb has to be in the subjunctive mood. Don't worry, the subjunctive often looks very similar to the normal conjugation, but it shows that the action is necessary or important for someone in particular.